Hello, friends. You all must have heard, or most of you have heard, that we need to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. You must have heard that. But is it fully correct? Or there is something more to it? Let's discuss it today. This will be a very interesting video, so watch till the end, right? You'll get some interesting facts from this video. Do you know that the water which we drink from the water purifier not only clears off or removes the dirt and bacteria, but it also removes the minerals present in in natural water. And so only drinking water deprives us of those minerals. So we need to find some way out to get those things, those minerals lost through the water which we get from the water purifier, which most of us have in our homes. So first understand that water is not just enough, right? Let's understand the term or the word hydration. Hydration is a term which means, basically in simple terms, that the amount of fluids required in the body to maintain and to function properly all the functions like heart, the proper functioning of the heart, the kidneys, all etc. It basically means the proper functioning of the body, which is done by the fluids which we intake. And fluids has two components in it. First is water, and second are the electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, calcium, etc. And these are very, very important. So that's the term of hydration. So what are the effects when we are dehydrated or dehydrate? What are the effects of dehydration? The first is that, see, our body makes blood with the help of fluids. So when the fluids gets reduced in the body, water plus the electrolytes gets reduced, the blood becomes thicker. Our blood pressure, it lowers our blood pressure. Then which might result in giddiness, or one might faint also. It puts extra pressure on the heart to function properly. Then one of the most important impacts of having less fluids in the body is that it puts a pressure on the functioning of the kidneys. And kidney stone is the result of major impact, or major reason for kidney stone is the less amount of fluids which we need, which we take in the form of water or other fluids, which I am going to discuss later, which you need to do. So just understand that the fluids requirement of the body consists of water plus electrolytes. First thing. The second thing, what are the impacts of not taking these fluids enough in our system, is that low blood pressure, kidney stone, pressure on the heart, and skin becomes rough and dry, and the lips crack, and through those cracks the pathogens of the bacteria may enter the body. And headaches also can one of the causes of it. Then the brain, the function doesn't properly. There's a lapse of concentration, or we are not able to focus if the fluids in the body are less. So these are some major impacts of having less fluids or dehydration. So what can we do about it? First, let's check how to find out. I will give you simple things to find out how you can find out whether you are properly hydrated or not. Okay? So simple is a urine test, not in the lab. We have to, when we pass the urine, just if we see that the color of the urine is dark, then is most of the cases it is sure that you are dehydrated, right? The level of fluids is less. The second test is that first we'll discuss a little bit about the urine color also. If it is transparent and clear, then you are properly hydrated. And if it is dark in color, then definitely most of the time it is due to dehydration. That's the first test to find out whether you're hydrated properly or not. The second test is also very simple. What you got to do is that keep your fingers like this, and just we'll do the experiment. I'll show you how to do it. First put a fingers like this, then pull the skin like this. Like I'll show you like this. Okay. For example, this finger, pinch this skin and pull it up, and if it immediately settles down, then you are properly hydrated. And if it takes time to settle down, that means you require water intake, which you need to take, right? Water or fluid intake, you need to do it, that, and give the body what is required for it, right? It is asking for it. They say don't wait for this to happen. It needs to settle down fast. That's an indication you're properly hydrated. If not, then you need to sip water continuously at regular intervals. Now come to the solutions. What we can do about it if you find yourself that you're not properly hydrated. Okay, as first and the most important thing, that along with water, we need to have coconut water or fruits or vegetable juice, milk, etc. So along with the water, we need to have all these things so that proper maintain of the minerals also, or nutrients also the body gets, and the functioning of the body is proper. When we get along with the water, we get these fruit juices or vegetable juices or milk. These nutrients, minerals, the system gets, our whole body gets, and it nourishes and gets the required things. Second thing we can do is that sip water or the fluids at regular intervals. Don't wait for becoming too thirsty and then having those fluids or the water or the liquids. Sip it at regular intervals. The third thing you can do is that before going out in the sun, drink water or fluids, so that the water requirement, or you will not get thirsty, right? Because there is a balance in the body. Because after you go in the sun, there's a chance that you may not find some water nearby. Best is that you carry a water bottle with you, right? So whenever you require, so you can sip it along, right? So these are the three things you can do. So three things to improve your fluid intake. Along with water, remember you need the electrolytes also to maintain the proper hydration level, which is very much important for the proper functioning of the all the major functions of the systems, what the body functions when we get the proper intake of the fluids. So this is what about all the things which I wanted to tell, that along with water we required the fluids. Now in the next video I will tell you that how much to drink, when to drink, and when not to drink. Okay, so that will be cleared in the next video. And about this video, just do tell me in the comments what are your thoughts about it, and did you know about all this information which I shared with you, and was it useful for you, useful to you? And if it was useful, if it is useful to you, just give me a thumbs up, like and a love symbol to appreciate this work, so that I would be encouraged to do more of this stuff. And that's it from my side as of now. I enjoyed making and sharing this information with you. Hope you also enjoyed listening to it. So till we meet again in the next video, take care and take good care of yourself, and God bless you, and keep smiling. Bye bye.